Hello, everybody. Now we show you about part 10. I will show you to how to create responsive responsive top navigation bar. Yes. Okay. Uh, Before we show you about how to create harmonic and horizontal and vertical, yes. Now we want to show how to create responsive for your computer and browser, yes, and how to when you open with your mobile, yes. Okay, okay. You can continue with uh, stick key navigation bar. Okay, you can copy and you can paste, yes, and then you can read exam 10. Okay, the part 10. Okay, you can rename to respond, yes, responsive navigation bar. Okay, we can open with tool which you want, yes. Okay, this before is example. Okay, now we can add meta. Yes, have meta. The name equal you report. Yes. Okay, and content with yeah device with yes and initial okay scale equal 1.0. Okay, and then you can open your style and the first body. Okay, I new to matching equal 0. Yes, matching 0. And UL, yeah, UL, I create the class to top. Okay, to top navigation. List style none. Okay, matching none. 0, pending 0. Okay, over flow hidden and background. Okay, background you can choose your by your cell. Okay, and this not need, yes. Okay, and then we create ul the class top navig. Okay, and we use the list. Okay, the list I want to create, yes, create float, yes, for list. Okay, and then we can delete this. Okay, the same before, yes. Okay, and then the list, yeah, top list. I rename ul the top list, yeah, class list and okay a okay link, okay, for link Leave for link, yes. I set the display block, okay, color, okay, the color, uh, take align center, okay, pending, okay, 14 and 16, and take direction none, okay, this is good, yes. Okay, and then we set the UL dot top class, top name class, yes, list a link and over is not active. You set a background, okay, background color DDD, yes. You can choose by yourself, yes. And then we set the class UL dot top name class, okay. Uh, list, okay, list dot a active, yes, okay, dot active. You set the background, okay, the color, the background, okay, okay, active, and the ul dot top name class list, okay, that right, okay, the right, and dot right, yes, okay, 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 and then you can set a responsive, okay, add media screen, yes, and the max y width, yes, 6 pix 600 pixel, yes, okay, and ul laptop name list dot right, okay, and ul laptop name list, okay, and plot none, yes, okay, and we set the body, okay, and not the right, okay, and ul class, yeah, that's it, class the net top name, okay, and a active, yes, and home, okay, and navigation, okay, and yeah, the class right, about I said the class right, okay, yes, okay, it's one, okay, uh, and then we set, okay, new the style, okay, style for pending, okay, 0 and 16 pixel, okay, 16 pixel, okay, and this not UI responsive, take responsive, navigation bar, okay, I love the view, control top. Okay, scripting. Okay, okay. You can rename your sticking before to. Okay, sorry, responsive. Okay, okay. This uh, take responsive. Yeah, meta. You port. Yes, and the viewport you. Okay, I have viewport, the name viewport, and the content with you respond with device. Yeah, device with and initial you scale 1.0. Yeah, you set 1.0, and the start style body you matching 0. Okay, thumbnail way you create class. Yeah, the UL class. Yes, the thumbnail. Yes, for UL and style list style. Okay, matching pending overflow. Yeah, background colors. Yes, okay. You can save and you can browser. Yeah, okay. We wait. Yes, we take responsive. Yes, okay. Oh, right. Okay, you can. Okay, this. Okay, you can spot spend when you take responsive. Your ammonoid you at the right. Yes, okay. This the right. Yeah, class the right. Okay, this right. Okay, right. Lot. Okay, okay, okay. The right. Oh, oh, okay. 80. Yes. 80. Incorrect. Yes, correct. The name Jen. Okay, and refresh. Yes. About yes. Okay, easy. You can follow this style with as I show you about to how to respond. Okay, it's easy. You can learning. Yeah, for your beginning to developer, you can start from HTML, CSS, and JS. Yes, and then we show you about more video to you to apply to web developer. Okay, thank you.